A short video on how I made my soundproof box. This is the box I use to create voiceovers for my videos. It is mounted on a used heavy-duty microphone stand I picked up locally from Facebook Marketplace. I was lucky enough to get one with a dual microphone mount, which made mounting the box very easy. I use 3 layers of quilted furniture padding you can get from U-Haul or any other storage facility. This is an excellent glue. Be sure to use in a well-ventilated area or outdoors, and as an extra precaution, use a good mask. The interior is just foam soundproof baffling, quite inexpensive on eBay. You will need a good quality digital recorder, an itsy bitsy book light, and your script. I highly recommend using a storyboard. The voiceover you're hearing now was not done with the box. You will hear a couple of samples of what my voice sounds like with the box at the end of this video.
The fire had gone out, and strangely Minokichi noticed someone near the door of the cottage. The icy figure approached his father and leaned over, and when she blew an icy cold breath of winter, Mosaku died silently. The icy figure approached his father and leaned over, and when she blew an icy cold breath like winter, Mosaku died silently. The icy figure approached his father and leaned over, and when she blew an icy cold breath like winter, Mosaku died silently.